In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete purchase history on iPhone App Store. Before we begin, an important note, you cannot permanently delete your App Store purchase history. Apple doesn't offer a way to erase it. What you can do, though, is hide apps so they no longer appear in your visible purchase list. This is a great way to clean things up or keep certain downloads private on your device. Let's start by opening your purchase history. On your iPhone, open the App Store. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture to open your account. Then tap Purchased. Here you'll see a complete list of apps and games you've downloaded with your Apple ID, both free and paid. This list can be long if you've had your iPhone for a while, so take a moment to scan through it and get familiar with what's there. Now, to hide an app from your purchase history, find the app you want to remove from view. You can scroll through the list until you spot it. When you see it, swipe left on the app's name and tap Hide. As soon as you do that, the app disappears from the purchase list on this device. Keep in mind, hiding an app doesn't uninstall it from your phone, and it doesn't cancel any subscriptions tied to it. It simply hides the record in this section. The app is still associated with your Apple ID, and you can always download it again later if you need to. If you ever want to see what you've hidden or bring an app back to the visible list, you can do that in Settings. Close the App Store, then open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, tap your name to open your Apple ID options. Choose Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Scroll down and tap Hidden Purchases. This screen shows every app you've hidden from your purchase history. From here, you can review the list and unhide any app if you change your mind. This makes it easy to manage what's visible without losing access to your past downloads. To recap, App Store purchases can't be deleted, but you can hide apps to remove them from the purchase list. And at any time, you can view your hidden purchases and restore them if needed. This approach keeps your list tidy while preserving full access to your apps. That's it. If you have questions about this process, feel free to ask. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.